Hello children, it's a long vacation of yours, a lockdown summer vacation. So before I start my English chapter for standard 5, I would like to ask you a question. What is the most important thing that you are missing nowadays in summer? Of course your school, but along with that, okay, I will give you a hint. What is that sweet, creamy and cold and everyone likes to eat? Yes, you guessed it right. It's an ice cream. And we all love the person who carries it. It's known as an ice cream man. So here, the poem number 1 for the English is Ice Cream Man. First of all, I will just read down the poem, the 4 lines that will be written on the board, and then I will be explaining to you. When summer's in the city and the bricks ablaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. I am reading it once again, listen properly and see. When summer's in the city and the bricks ablaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So here the first line tells us that when it is summer in the city, nowadays you are experiencing such a summer season in the afternoon time, in the morning, after 10. So the city is full of heat. You can feel, you can experience the heatness of the city. Now the word ablaze, you can just see a new word is there for you. Ablaze means a flame or fire. I am repeating it. Blaze is a new word that you might be knowing, is that is a flame or fire. The third line that tells us, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So when it's summer, in the afternoon time, when the city is full of heat and you're experiencing it, and you can just see a man in a small cart goes trundling down. This word, trundling, means a moving of a small wheel. You can just see we won't be going in a shop, we will be moving in a cart. So that means it goes trundling down the street. That means he's just moving in a small cart with the wheels there and he's just going around the street. As we have just completed with the first paragraph or first stanza of poem, now comes the second stanza of 4 lines, that is, I will be reading it again and then I will be explaining you. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. So here, when you just see an ice cream man in a small cart, that you can always imagine a person he is also a human being. So he will be just moving around the streets. So to cover himself from the heat, the cart always have an umbrella. A round umbrella is always there. You can just imagine when you just read the poem there. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight. Oh what a joyful sight. We are so delighted to see him that he just coming forward to us and we are very eager to have that ice cream. To see him fill the cones with mounds. Now, this is also a new word. Mounds. Mounds means a heap or a pile. Heap means we can just, you have a cone, and when you say to the ice cream man about the different flavors, he will just put that cone in his hand and he just make a mound, means a heap, and he just pour it there on the cone. So to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. So it might be very different flavors you have. So here I am just reading it again and just do it. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Understood the meaning of the word mounds? The third stanza of the Ice Cream Man poem is, the vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. Now this stanza tells us about what are things that the ice cream man is carrying in a small cart. We all know that ice cream man will be having definitely ice cream, and ice cream will be of different flavors. Everyone like different flavors such as vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Along with that, in a small cart, the ice cream man is not only carrying the ice cream but chili drinks. Chili drinks means cold drinks. You all love in summer season to drink something cold, not only ice cream but the chili drinks. So here the first two lines tells about the flavors, the different flavors the ice cream man is carrying with him. Along with that, he is also having a cold drink, chili drinks in a small cart from bottles full of frosty fizz. Bottles full of frosty fizz is again a new word for you. That means when you open a cooled, chilled this drink, when you open the bottle, a sound, a bubbling sound, a chilling sound that comes, that is a frosty fizz. And different flavors of drinks are also there: green, orange, white or pink. Again I am reading in this: the vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. So the ice cream man is also carrying in his cart an ice cream and also a drink, a cold drink with different colors and different flavors. The last stanza also consists of 4 lines, and it is like this: his cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster around has thick as honeybees. So here the last stanza, the first line, his cart might be a flower bed, means here the poet is trying to tell us or giving a comparison that his cart is like a flower bed. Flower bed means when you go to a garden or when you just think of full flowers, there might be various roses or sweet peas, different fruits and flowers might be there. So his cart is compared to a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. And the last 2 lines, the way the children cluster around, again a new word, cluster. Cluster means coming together. See, when an ice cream man comes to the down your street, what is the thing that you will do? You will make a line? No, you just move around to them and you will make a group around his cart. The way the children cluster around as thick as honeybees. Here, the cart is compared to a flower bed and the children is compared to a honeybees. Why? When you see some sweets or honeys, so you can just look down in your garden and what you see, when the flowers are there, the bees and butterflies are always humming over them. And the same way, the cart is compared to a flower bed with roses and sweet peas, and the children here is also compared to a honeybees when they come together. That means when they cluster around the cart for having an ice cream. Hope you have understood this poem, and one thing I want to let you know is that this poem is written by Rachel Field. She was an American. She means, she was a poetess actually. She was an American. She used to write the novels, poems and lot of stories for the children. And one such collection of Rachel Field is The Ice Cream Man. Hope you have understood the poem clearly